Hey guys, it's me, the Peaky Arrow. Welcome to a brand new video here on the channel, and a little bit of a different video as well. I quite like watching compilation videos. I watch them all the time. They're nice to have on in the background sometimes, and they can be pretty funny and sometimes informative. So we're going to watch one where it's pretty much don't mess with nature. So we're going to see why we shouldn't mess with nature, and see what happens. It's a beaver. Now they can be quite vicious and quite territorial from what I've heard. So shit, run! Oh, it's a monkey. Harpoon fishing.
Oh no!
Oh shit, shark!
That shark is fucking gone.
It's a baby croc. See, why would you do that? Go buy him. Octopus. Nice. I find octopus very fascinating creatures. Man, it will not let go of this guy. I think they can bite humans as well. I think they've been known to bite humans if they want. Fun fact about an octopus is that it can fit through any space as long as its beak, inside its mouth it has like a beak. As long as that beak can fit through a gap, the octopus can get in, and they are very strong as well. They've been known to be able to open jars underwater, close shells on them so they can hide away. Like, they're very strong, and they love to hide in if they can get in a small gap, like I said, in a small space, they will get in that small space to hide. It's another monkey. Why would you give the monkey a can? Yeah, places like that. Oh snap! I've taken the fuck out. The monkeys are very ferocious. Yeah, you went near its baby, that's why. Horses, very dead. Oh my god! Let's just play that back. Straight up went for it. Well, he's now very dirty. Don't wear white on a farm. Oh wow, that was uncalled for. Oh, it's a goose! Or no, it's a black swan! They have been known to be able to break a man's arm.
Oh my god, get off it! Ow!
They're very strong.
Let me go, please!
Just run! Just stop filming and just wreck it!
I'm coming.
It's there.
Oh, why are you getting that close? Dude, seriously! Well, don't get that close to That's just they're like mountain goats, I think. Yeah, mountain goats. Like look. Whoa! Is he good? You good, bro? He's good. How resilient he was. You just fell down a mountain. Oh, there's a bear and a crank. Yo, dude, that bear's scared of a bird. Elephants Again. Oh! Did it kill the croc? I think it killed the croc. Oh. It must be mating season for them to be doing that. They very rarely attack each other in the wild. Usually when it's mating season, they'll do a bit of fighting to compete, but they don't usually do that. Oh. Whoa! Hold up. That's a stonefish. Oh. Damn, like all that silk coming up from the hole.
Look at the snail peeking down, saying, "What just happened?" Oh my gosh!
Saved.
There was a fish there.
That snail.
Saved.
Oh no! Oh. The snail lives in that hole now. Like, damn, that was lightning fast. The other fish had no chance of escaping. It's a crab versus a rat. Oh, my money's on the crab, man. Go on, have him, son. Have him. Go on. The rat won't back down either, but neither will the crab. So they'll keep going at this until one of them either leaves or is dead. My money's on the crab 100%. Yo, that's well. Don't kick it. It's probably why it's angry at you. But, so from what I've learnt so far in this video is that a lot of it is their own fault. Like when it comes to humans and animals. So I gotta stop kicking the bird. It's a literal bull in a china shop, or it's in a restaurant. Why are you kicking it? Again, he kicked it, made it more angry and agitated. The thing is scared. Like, the animal is scared at that point. And you're kicking it, making it agitated, and that's when it's going to start kicking off again. These wild dogs? No, they look like they come from that house up there. Yeah, they've all come up from there, and they're protecting their property. They're protecting their territory. You're making them more scared. Just calm down. Oh, it's a little lizard. Or is it a frog?
Hey. Now swim to me. Swim to me.
Right, if it doesn't belong, if you're not sure if it belongs in, yeah. So that's a small lizard. It probably doesn't belong in the water. That's why it jumped up to higher ground. That's a catfish, I believe, or a type of catfish. You can tell by the whiskers. I believe it's a type of catfish. It's like, just leave it alone. If you're not, like, yeah, like, so it's on the bottom, and it's near the bottom where it is like hard visibility. It doesn't want to be seen. It wants to be left alone. Yo, like, leave it alone, man. It's a fish. Like, why?
High five.
Yeah, cats, don't mess with cat. I'm not a cat person.
That is a living llama on the ski slope.
Well, of course it's living, it's not fake.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, snap. Okay, he just got, again, like, he just kind of just stood there and let it come up to him. It's a wild animal. Thank you everyone for watching that video. I hope to do more of these. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Like I was saying in that video, a lot of that was the humans' fault. They were like getting too close. They were like getting into their territories. They just weren't letting things be. And like with those monkeys as well, is that a lot of countries where those monkeys roam free and are near humans, you are advised like multiple times not to feed them, not to go near them, like to avoid them, because in a sense you're in their territory. So like, you know, if you're in something's territory, it's gonna lash out. It's, you know, if you're feeding it as well and it realizes you no longer have any food, that's when, again, it's gonna attack you. But anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you in the next one. Peace out. Thank you everyone for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. And just before you go, quickly, thought I'd share something with you. I now have a merch store. The link will be in the description below. At the moment, it's only a few basic designs. I'm working on some more things to add there. And obviously, if you guys have any ideas, drop them down in the comments. And I'll consider it. I have got a poster in the works. That I just need to find a really good photographer for. But yeah, I've got face mask stickers, I've got t-shirts, I've got tank tops, I've got long sleeves, and at the moment that's it. I've got a hoodie that's only really at the moment available for women. I want to try and, you know, pick a very good design for men. So yeah. This isn't what the socks look like now. I have changed them. There's no longer a logo on the bottom. The logo is still on the top. But yeah. So if you want some merch, you know, go down to the link in the description. Prices I am working on. I'm trying to make them as cheap as possible for you. Because I don't want to charge too much money on merch. So if you want to rep the channel and rep the brand, then feel free.